All right, class. Today we are going to learn more about measurements. Can someone raise their hand and tell me what we learned about yesterday that had to do with measurements? What did we learn?
We learned about tools.
Tools. What kind of tools?
For measuring.
Measuring, which were?
The rulers.
Rulers.
Yardsticks.
Yardsticks.
And measuring tape.
Measuring tape. And what did we measure? Was it inches, yards?
Inches.
Inches. We learned about inches. Good job. So today, we're going to have a new objective. I will know how to measure in centimeters. You repeat after me.
I will know how to measure in centimeters.
I will be able to compare the difference between inches and centimeters.
I will be able to compare the difference between inches and centimeters.
So what do you think we are going to learn about now today? Centimeters.
Centimeters.
Have you ever heard of a centimeter before?
Like the bug?
No, this is a different kind of measurement. Can I borrow someone's ruler? Thank you, Jade. All right, so up here, what were these kind of measurements that we learned?
Inches.
Inches. Now if you go to the other side of the ruler, the tiny, tiny numbers, and like that goes all the way up to 30, these are centimeters. They're very small. They are about the length of your width of your fingernail. That's a centimeter from this side to this side. They also starts at the very tip of the ruler from 0 to 1. Now go ahead and take a look at your ruler so that you can see it for yourself. Do you guys see the inches and centimeters?
Centimeters are so small.
All right. Now, I'm going to write inches on one side, and the abbreviation for inches is IN. Inches and centimeters. What do you notice about the centimeters compared to the inches?
They're small.
Smaller?
They're smaller.
Centimeters are smaller. Smaller what? Measurements?
Smaller measurements. Okay.
What else do you notice? Is there anything else that you
There's
see?
more centimeters than inches.
More numbers? More centimeters?
More numbers.
More numbers. Very good. What, you guys notice anything else? Is that it right now?
That's it right now.
Good job. So, let's look at this remote. Can I borrow Jade's ruler again? Thank you. So if I measure this remote in inches, start from the 0 all the way to the bottom, it's about 6 inches. Now if I go to this side of the ruler, centimeters, it's the bottom, the top to the bottom, it's going to be 15 centimeters. What do you notice about those two numbers?
They are.
Are those? It's the same
6
tool.
and 15.
It's the same object, but has different measurements.
Oh.
Which one was bigger?
Centimeters.
Centimeters. So they had a bigger number, right?
Whoa.
All right. So you guys get to practice, so you'll be able to tell the difference between inches and centimeters. Everyone get a ruler. And when I say go, I'm going to give you a measurement, and you're going to have to go find how long the object is in centimeters. Go find an object that is 5 centimeters. Ready, set, go.
Got it.
Find as many as you can, and then come back to the floor when you find.
5 centimeters. Okay.
All right, everyone come back to the carpet. All right. What are some things that we found that was 5 centimeters?
I found these 2 toys.
And how did you know it was 5 centimeters?
Because I measured from the bottom of the ruler to the top, and I saw that it stopped right at 5.
Good job. Good. Thank
And
you for showing
yes.
us all how you measured it too. What did you find, Jane?
A remote.
A remote that was 5 centimeters. Did you start at the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Now that you practice in centimeters, now you're gonna go do the same in inches. Ready, set, go. You're gonna find 7 inches. What's 7 inches? All right, class. Come back and meet me at the carpet. Jade, what did you find that was 7 inches?
A candle.
A candle? And how did you measure it?
From putting the very end to 7.
Good job. Jordan, what did you find that was 7 inches?
I found this, which was 9 inches, which is more than 7. But then I found peanut butter, which started at the top and it came down to 7.
Good job. So you guys feel like you know how to measure in centimeters? You know the difference? All right, let me see your ruler. If I showed you this side, what side is that? Inches or centimeters?
Inches.
Inches. What about this side?
Centimeters.
Good job. All right, now you guys get to practice on your own with these assessment sheets. And then we are going to meet back at the carpet when you are all done with them. But we get to practice, you're gonna do it all on your own, okay?